A warm welcome. It is because it's your vision, your efforts that we have gathered here under one roof. The budget was introduced in our country. I'm CA Pooparara. I'm a chartered accountant, currently playing my role in the corporate world, working with Deloitte in their investment banking division. But I have been closely working with government on their PPP project. I remember when the Indian budget used to be announced, it was a high call theatre. And once the government is elected, the final anthem is Indian budget on that particular year is announced. But your captivating talk has not only broadened our understanding, but has also ignited a spark of curiosity and enthusiasm among us all.